is Millie and this is Plum.
Hello!
Welcome to Kids Cooking School. We are so glad that you are here.
Hey, Mrs. Millie!
Yeah.
I have a joke for you! What happened when the air conditioning in the cheese factory broke?
What?
There was a meltdown!
That was a good one. Speaking of melting cheese, today we're going to make grilled cheese sandwiches.
Oh, yum! Do we use the stove for grilled cheese sandwiches?
Yes, we do. So if you're going to be making grilled cheese with us, make sure that you have a grown-up nearby to help you use the stove.
Being safe is the most important thing!
Now let's begin!
So, what do we need for grilled cheese?
What we need is 2 pieces of bread, cheese, butter, a knife for spreading the butter, a spatula, and a pan. Now, grilled cheese can be a little bit tricky to make because you want the cheese in the middle to be nice and melted and gooey, but you want the outside of it to be nice and light brown and crispy. And that's kind of hard to do a little bit in a pan. So I have a trick that makes it a little easier.
I like making things easier. What do you do?
What we're going to do is we're actually going to melt it a little bit in the microwave first.
Wow, that's a great idea!
So what we're going to do is we're going to take our piece of cheese and we're going to put it on one piece of bread. And we can just put the other piece of bread to the side for now. And then we're going to put it in the microwave for about 30 seconds. Your microwave might be a little bit different, so keep an eye on it to make sure it doesn't get too melted and too hot. Next, we are going to take a piece of bread and put butter on the outside. Now, just like in the peanut butter and jelly video, we want the butter to go all the way to the edge. So we're going to spread the butter and then flip our bread over and put it down onto the pan. Next, we're going to take our piece of bread with the melted cheese and flip it over so that the cheese is on top of the other piece of bread. Then we're going to do the same thing and put butter on the outside of this piece of bread. So now we put our pan on the stove and turn it on. You want to put it on medium.
How do you know when it's ready to flip over, Miss Millie?
What you're going to do is you're going to take your spatula and you're going to put it under and just peek underneath to see if it's golden brown. When it's golden brown, then you know that it's ready to flip over.
I have a hard time flipping things.
Yeah, flipping things over is a little tricky. With flipping, you kind of need to go fast. You have to push the spatula under quickly, then carefully but quickly flip it over. We're going to put our spatula under and check. Ooh, do you see that perfect golden brown? So then we're going to push our spatula under quickly and flip it over kind of fast.
It takes a lot of practice to get it right.
Yes, it does. And it's okay to make mistakes. The more you practice, the better you will get at it.
Then do we peek again?
Yes, we peek again to see if this side is done, and if it's light brown, then we can take it off and turn off the stove.
Yum! Yum, yum! Toasty on the outside, melty on the inside.
think I'm gonna try by this time.
That looks so good.
Do you want some plum?
Yes, please.
It's good.
I love grilled cheese. Thank you so much for joining us.
Remember, the more you practice, the better you will get.
And it's okay to make mistakes. Just try to do a little better next time.
And if you liked this video, make sure you push the thumbs up and subscribe to our channel to see any of our future videos.
It's the big red rectangle.
And if you make any of our creations, make sure you have your parents tag us on Instagram at Kids Cooking School.
We would love to see what you are making.
Now go make something tasty.